Liability insurance. The term liability insurance refers to an insurance product that provides an insured party with protection against claims resulting from injuries and damage to other people or property. Liability insurance policies cover any legal costs and payouts an insured party is responsible for if they are found legally liable. Intentional damage and contractual liabilities are generally not covered in liability insurance policies. Unlike other types of insurance, liability insurance policies pay third parties and not policyholders. How liability insurance works. Liability insurance is critical for those who are liable and at fault for injuries sustained by other people or in the event that the insured party damaged someone else's property. As such, liability insurance is also called third-party insurance. Liability insurance doesn't cover intentional or criminal acts even if the insured party is found legally responsible. Policies are taken out by anyone who owns a business, drives a car, practices medicine or law. Basically anyone who can be sued for damages and or injuries. Policies protect both the insured and the third parties who may be injured as a result of the policyholder's unintentional negligence. Liability insurance is also called third-party insurance. For instance, most states require that vehicle owners have liability insurance under their automotive insurance policies to cover injury to other people and property in the event of accident. A product manufacturer may purchase product liability insurance to cover them if a product is faulty and causes damage to the purchasers or another third party. Business owners may purchase liability insurance that covers them if an employee is injured during business operation. The decision doctors and surgeons may make while on the job also require liability insurance policies. Special consideration. Personal liability insurance policies are purchased primarily by high net worth individuals or those with sizable assets, but this type of coverage is recommended to anyone with a net worth that exceeds the combined coverage limits of the other personal insurance policies, such as home and auto coverage. The cost of an additional insurance policy doesn't appeal to everyone, although most carriers offer reduced rates for bundled coverage package. Personal liability insurance is considered a secondary policy and may require policyholders to carry certain limits on their home and auto policies, which may result in additional expenses. The global liability insurance market size was valued at more than $25 billion in 2021 and is expected to reach $433 billion by 2031. Although commercial general liability insurance protects against most legal hassles, it doesn't protect directors and officers from being sued, and it doesn't protect the insured against errors and omissions. Companies require special policies for these cases, including errors and omission liability insurance. An errors and omission liability insurance policy covers lawsuits arising from negligent professional services or failing to perform professional duties. Lawyers, accountants, architects, engineers, or any business providing a service to a client for a fee should purchase this form of insurance. An E&O policy doesn't cover criminal prosecution, fraudulent or dishonest acts, or claims against bodily injury. The insured, however, is covered for attorney fees, court costs, and any settlement up to the amount specified by the insurance contract. Directors and officers insurance. This type of policy protects directors and officers of large companies against legal judgment and costs arising from unlawful acts, erroneous investment decision, failure to maintain property, releasing confidential information, hiring and firing decision, conflicts of interest, gross negligence, and other errors. Most D&O policies exclude coverage for fraud or other criminal acts. Premiums depend on the company, its location, industry type, and loss experience. Thank you.